Study shows how at last resort, antibiotic, colistin, kills bacteria. It punches holes in the outer and inner membranes of gram-negative bacteria, popping them. The research could lead to more effective forms of antibiotic against some of the deadliest superbugs. A new Harvard University study found that, in at least 19 states plus Washington, D.C., burning gas now kills more people than coal because of exposure to a deadly type of fine particulate matter known as PM2.5 that lingers in the air and lodges in lung tissue. 2 Pfizer doses give 95% protection against COVID-19 infection, illness and death, first nationwide study. New RNA drug shows promise in treating brain tumors. Researchers believe that the current, but not future, levels of microplastics and nanoplastics in the environment are too low to affect human health. A person might accumulate several thousand microplastic particles in their body over their lifetime, while their air pollution exposure is far greater. One cup of leafy green vegetables a day lowers risk of heart disease. Researchers examined over 50,000 people over a 23-year period. People who consumed the most nitrate-rich vegetables had about a 2.5 mm of mercury lower systolic blood pressure and between 12 to 26% lower risk of heart disease. New research indicates that astrocytes, star-shaped cells that support the function of neurons in the brain, play a key role in depression. The findings, published in Frontiers in Psychiatry, indicate that depression is associated with reduced astrocyte densities in several important brain regions. Subtle differences in the shape of the brain that are present in adolescence are associated with the development of psychosis. Scientists found that those at high risk for psychosis had widespread lower cortical thickness, a measure of the thickness of the brain's gray matter. Researchers have designed a pasta noodle that can be flat packed, like Ikea furniture, and then spring to life in water, all while decreasing packaging waste. Rapid blood test to detect cancer. Scientists successfully detected cancerous mutations in tumor cells by analyzing DNA that is free-floating in blood, employing a strip test with results in 10 minutes. The liquid biopsy is less invasive than tissue sampling. Floating googly eyes on a stick scare seabirds away from fishing nets. A new study identifies the earliest human burial in Africa, shedding light on the customs of early Homo sapiens. 95,000 tons of carbon dioxide has been safely injected into a saline formation found 1.5 kilometers underground in the state of Victoria, Australia, resolving a successful research project conducted to investigate the method as a possible carbon capture solution. Missing out on sleep. Harvard study shows that we've been ignoring almost 2/3 of the EEG activity of sleep spindles, which are responsible for memory consolidation during sleep, as well as being key biomarkers of aging and disease. New soil study shows pesticides significantly harm soil invertebrates. These organisms are critical to maintaining healthy soils.